Imagine connecting to the internet securely and bypassing network restrictions using a powerful UDP request method. In this video, I will show you how to set up SocksIP VPN correctly so you can enjoy a stable and a secure connection on your device. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video. If you get any problem, share this tutorial to your friend. So, if you get any problem, the comment section is open, but I request you to like the video. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to set up SocksIP VPN or SocksIP VPN using a UDP request. SocksIP VPN is a powerful VPN tunneling tool that allows users to create custom VPN configurations for secure browsing and improved connectivity. So this method uses a UDP request payload account, which helps establish a fast and a reliable connection across many networks. So before starting, make sure you have the following. You have SocksIP VPN application installed in your Android device, a stable internet connection, a valid SSH or VPN configuration, UDP request payload or configuration file. But I'm going to provide you with how to get those things. So step 1, let us install the SocksIP VPN application. Open up your Google Play Store like I've done, and then go where you search from, and then search SocksIP or SocksIP VPN. Install the first application in your results, which contains SSH, WebSocket OWS and UDP. So launch the application after installing. If it is disabled, enable it. So keep in mind that this VPN tutorial is for research, educational and informational purposes only. Users are requested to follow up with the local laws, comply with the network policies and internet service providers terms and conditions before continuing to this application. So step 2, we are going to open the application I have done. Now, after opening the application, we are going to locate the UDP request method section. Let me show you where we are going to. You're coming right here. I have the gear icon, which represents the settings, and then you're going to come right here, and then make sure you press you scroll up to down and then press OK. You're going to come last right here. I have UDP request, and then you're going to configure the UDP request. This is how it will be looking like. So we're going to go to Google Chrome, this Google Chrome, then you're going to open up and search fast SSH. Wait for a few seconds for the page to load, and then after we're searching fast SSH like this. Open the first in the results, and then after, let us try to zoom in and scroll up. I'm going to first view a short advert, this one, and if it is long, I'll pause the video, but it seems it is short. So after closing the advert, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friends. Zoom in a bit, and let us go right here. I have SSH. You're going to come where I have the create UDP request account, the last option, this one, and then check and wait for a few seconds for the page to load. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like the video. If you get any problem, the comment section is open. So we are going to be seeing a list of many servers. You have the one from French. Try to zoom in, then you can be clearly seeing these servers. So choose a server that you prefer most, but recommend you guys to choose a server that is near to your country's location. I'll choose USA Virginia, and then after try to scroll down a little bit and then try to zoom in a little bit. Now here inserting your username. In this case we're going to put in mousestake 23 and then inserting your password. You can put 12 and then confirm that you are not a robot. Try to zoom out, close the keyboard and then wait for the lookup teacher or wait for it to confirm that you are not a robot. Don't forget to subscribe. It has successfully confirmed that we're not a robot. Now let us scroll down. We want this page, or we want this setting which has create an account. This one. Try to zoom in to prevent clicking in those adverts and click on that thing of create an account. Scroll up, zoom out, then we are seeing this one. Focus on that one because it is creating a UDP request account. As you see, it has successfully created a UDP request account, so we are going to be copying up with those. You can also get another device and screenshot those credentials, or you can open your notepad and then after opening your notepad you can put in those credentials and then reopen the SocksIP VPN application. But let me first copy that list a port. At least my username, let me copy, and then I can, if I'm using Google board, and I can copy multiple things provided that I delete some in my clipboard. Then the password I can cram, and then I can copy the IP address. For the ports, I'm going to be directing you. Let us open the SocksIP Tunnel VPN. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you get any problem, share this tutorial to your friend. If you get any problem, the comment section is open and you can also share this tutorial to your friend. This application is taking so long to open. Let me close and reopen it again. You're going to come at the gear icon right here. Then you're going to come where you have the tunnel mode, and then you're going to choose UDP request. You're going to configure UDP request or set up UDP request. Start port must be that one, and the end port must be 65535, and then the server count. Can enable binding. And we're going to come right here. You have the free server. Then you're going to choose the custom server. You're going to put in the server IP. You're going to put in our username. We're going to put in our password, which was 12. The start port must be 1 and the end port must be that one. For others, I recommend you guys not to change anything. Just come where you have save settings, but let me first check the settings I'm using for the receiver count. Alright, let us keep up with the one and one, and then we are going to save the settings. And then after, we can now go back by checking this, and then we're going to go and have start, allow the VPN service, and by doing that we shall have been successfully connected. As you see, it is working. You can now check up with the internet speed. You can check up with anything you want. So that is how you to successfully set up SocksIP VPN using UDP request. If the configuration is entered correctly, the VPN should connect and provide a secure browsing experience. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notification for more VPN tutorials. So I sign out.